Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Luke here. Today we have a big day. Should gross a little bit over $1,000, maybe close to about $1,100. So nice little $1,000 day today. Gonna just take you guys along each job, showing you guys what we're doing. Right now we're gonna go to our Texas pressure washing store and pick up some SH. Only got about 5 gallons left, but first job of the day is house and window wash, so need a little bit more than 5 gallons for that. So we're gonna go pick up some bleach real quick. After that, gotta pick up a check that that I did a job for a couple days ago, and man, I just haven't had time to go pick it up. So we're gonna go pick that up. Then yeah, head to our first job. That one is gonna be about $500, and then our next job is going to be about another $450. It's a window cleaning, a dock cleaning, and then a trash bin cleaning. And we have 2 more trash bin cleanings at the end of the day that are going to be $40 and $30. So I believe that's just, you know, right about $1,000. We'll see if we get any tips from any of the jobs, raise the revenue a bit. We are going to pick up some bleach real quick, and then we'll head to our first job. All right, at the first job of the day, it's the house we're doing. Nice stucco house, right off the water. See, we got some stucco, some algae growth right here. We'll be washing this whole retaining wall. It's pretty bad right here. Probably just have to use a little bit of SH or just straight water because we're pretty close to the ocean. But over here we can use some SH. Cleaning up there. We're also going to be cleaning up these windows back here. And then that chimney up there is pretty dirty. We're going to clean that up as well. Pretty much just a nice basic soft wash. Not too bad. Just on here. And then just a little bit of growth right here. And that's really it. There's not too much here. But we'll make sure we get it all cleaned up for them. Alright, just giving everything a pre-wet right now. Just water only. Using the M5 and the X-Jet setup. Able to reach this tall area and chimney as well. We'll go apply chemical here in a bit. Alright, we're gonna start pulling our chemical here shortly. We're not cleaning this pool deck right here, just the house and windows. There we go, we got chemical. Start applying some SH. Just filled it up too, so it's fresh, it's hot. Our window, the window frames turn out great. I'm gonna show y'all hit y'all's window frames. We're actually told not to really hit above the little awning. Hold that right there, so we're not gonna touch that with SH. And again, it's not really too dirty at all, so we're just giving everything a good spray. It's never been washed before, so at least with this homeowner, so make sure that it looks really nice for him. Get up here, so that'll turn out good. There we go. Nice. Alright, let's spray this retaining wall. And see away from the water so we don't hit that with SH. Just have to hit that with just water. And guys, downstreaming has been working great for stucco for me. I don't know if you guys use downstream or X-Jet. I used to use X-Jet for everything, including especially stucco. But man, if you guys give the downstreaming a chance, you'll really be blown away. So we're gonna change our little nozzle, shrink it a bit. so that we can hit up here. Let's watch that little post change colors, and we'll also watch this chimney up here, reaching all the way to that chimney. We'll watch that chimney just kind of change colors as well. All right, this is after a few minutes of just dwell time. As you can tell, that pillar looks great. And then up there, that chimney looks great. So we're just gonna give it a good rinse. Start giving everything a good rinse. We'll move on to the next side, and look at that retaining wall. That retaining wall looks great. Just a downstream mix. Give everything a good rinse now. One thing I need to get next is a shooter tip, some type of shooter tip. Man, sometimes when it gets windy, it's hard to reach these areas. All right, we're on this front side, dirty side. Go ahead and pre-wet this area first. And guys, when it's green algae like this, it'll pretty much come off with a downstream mix. If it's black on there, then you're gonna need to put a little bit extra SH on it. But for something like this, downstream mix works perfectly fine. If the window's real wet. All right, got our M5 on. We're gonna soft wash this area real quick. See all of that algae just gonna melt right off. Up there. Let that dwell for a little bit, see what it looks like. All right, so we're just rinsing this side now. Came out great. See what it looks like once we're done rinsing. All right, we're gonna start hitting this side right here. This right side here in a bit. And then up top with a little bit of algae as well. Just pre-wet everything and then hit it with some SH. All right, just have this side left underneath these windows and all of that, and then we'll be good to go. So almost out of here. Make sure if you're doing a wash so close to a fence, you wash the fence, or you pre-wet the fence too. So I'm gonna pre-wet that fence. Get all this. It's always to be on the safe side. You don't bleach out a fence. All right, we got our soap. Get that window, that dirty window. Let's see how that turns out. Same thing with right here. It's already coming off. That's why, I mean, I love the J-Rod, but man, this thing works great because you can just switch from whatever, you know, nozzle you really need just on the fly. You don't have to take your quick connect out. Just change the fan spray and then you're good to go. I've used the J-Rod, but man, I love this setup right here. It's a little costly, but man, it really saves me a lot of time. Clearing out the line now, and then look at that. I mean, it only took like a minute to kill those organics. All right, we're gonna get this all rinsed up and then start on the windows. Pro tip, make sure you take your tape off while it's still wet, or else you're gonna pull up the paint like crazy. So these are the windows we're gonna clean, just these back ones. Just 1, 2, 3, 14, 15. And we're not gonna clean these with water fed because you can, there's a lot of oxidation actually on these frames. So we are going to just hit that traditionally. All right, so just finished up. Here's the after of everything. There's that retaining wall. Looks great. Everything's just drying up now. This side wasn't too bad. Had a little bit of algae on, like, you know, just spots here and there. This side got all the windows cleaned up. Windows are looking great. And then up here was that bad spot right there that we got, and then that chimney we cleaned up as well. Cleaned it all from the ground, which is great. And then we got this side right here underneath that window. Got that all cleaned up. Same thing with this one. All right, here's the front of the house now. Got all that algae off. Looks really good. All right, we're at our next job now. This is actually one of our monthly window cleaning, dock cleaning, and trash bin cleaning clients. But today she wanted to add on, she's pressure washing that little green egg grill over there. She's getting rid of that, and then be taking care of all the windows, and then this dock. That's where these birds just get like worse and worse every time, but they're just destroying this dock over here. So we're gonna give it a wash, a scrub. You see the seagulls on there. All right, that'll be it for the dock. Got the dock all cleaned up, scrubbed it, gave it another rinse. One thing I really like about my new skid is that I have this little switch at the garden hose reel to where I can toggle it from pressure washer to water fed pole. Previously what I had to do is turn off the water, disconnect the pressure washer garden hose adapter, and then connect it to this one. But I just got two whip lines. Now I got this little adapter, so I can just toggle pressure washer off and then toggle this one on, and now the pressure washer stops pulling water, and then the water fed pole will start to pull water here shortly. So just finished up at that client's house. We just have 2 more trash bin cleaning clients, and then that'll be it. So first job was $500. Our job that we just did, we do it every month, and it's about $400, and then she wanted a few extra things done, so totaled out to about $450. And then our last 2 clients that we're doing are $40 for one, and then $30 for the other one. Alright, finished up that trash bin cleaning. Now we just have 1 more to clean. We're gonna start by the bank, deposit a few checks from this past week, and then we're gonna head to our last trash bin cleaning. So my process when cleaning trash bins is just make sure that there's no trash inside. If there is, just take it out, put it in another little trash bag. Make sure you service your clients either on trash pickup day or the day after, just so you don't run into full bins. I just have a mix of about a house wash mix in here, and just give it a spray, let it sit for a few minutes, and then just wash it out. just have about a, like I said, a house wash mix in here, so about a 1%, 1.5. That's all you really need to clean bins. All right, once I'm done with the bins, come over here. I'll grab my spray. I have some, what's in here? Something's in here that makes it smell good. I forgot what it's called. Pine Sol. I got Pine Sol in here. So spray a little bit of this in here and it'll smell really good until the next time I'm here. I'll clean it again. Alright, so we just finished up our last job of the day. That should have put us right at 1,020. So not a bad day. I'll take that every day. You know, some days are like that, some days are more, some days are less. But the biggest thing for me is you know, each job I'm at, just try to market as much as I can so that I can keep on lining jobs up. I think that's what's been helping me not having to door knock, is whenever I'm at a job, just waving to people, talking to people if they're out, you know, mowing their lawn or watering their plants. And then I'm just lining jobs up organically like that, as well as Google. Google has been great. And then my reoccurring clients, I mean, this is really like my second full-time year, and so all my clients from last year are ready to get their house washed again, their windows cleaned again. It's great when, you know, you have those clients, you do a good job, and then they call you back for the second year in a row. But that'll be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, put them down in the comments. I'll get back to you. And yeah, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.